Hey guys, today we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Realme XT. Now, the USP of this phone is the fact that it comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, and of course it also sports VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 as you can see on the box. Now let's just go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. What do you get for your money's worth? So of course, once you take the top off, you are greeted with this little paper packet. On the inside, you have a TPU case, you have paperwork, instruction manuals, and a quick start guide. That's fairly standard for most smartphone packaging. Then you have the phone itself. Ours is this really nice blue and purple dual tone finish phone, and it's very interesting because it also somehow looks a little bit on the greener side. Now, depending on how light hits it, it changes color, which is frankly quite unique. This is the quad camera setup that we've been talking about, and the 64 megapixel camera is actually highlighted with a golden ring around it. Then you have the Realme branding, and of course the back is super glossy, which is where the TPU case comes in handy. You've got the SIM tray on the left along with the volume buttons, and the power button is on the right and has a really nice golden accent to it. These little design choices actually do make a phone worth it. On the front, you have a teardrop notch with the camera housed inside of it, and right now there is no charge on the phone, so we're gonna just put that aside for now and go ahead and see what else you get inside the box. A little bit of a paper divider, I'll take that out. Now you have inside the box a Type-C cable. It's a fairly thick cable, and given that this is supporting VOOC Charge 3.0, which basically is about 20 watts of charging, you will need a thick cable, because what happens with cables is if you start pushing a lot of voltage and current through them, they get hot and they can possibly melt and catch fire, causing far more damage than any of us would have ever bargained for. Therefore, a thick cable is always a good idea. And then you of course have the power adapter itself, has the Realme branding over here, 20 watts of charging, and the VOOC branding that we've all come to sort of become familiar with. So that's pretty much all you get inside the box of the Realme XT. You have the phone itself, a charger, a cable, a very good quality cable at that, the TPU case, and that's pretty much it. There are no earphones bundled with this phone, which is a pretty common occurrence nowadays, that not a lot of manufacturers will bundle earphones in the box. There's very few of them who do, but for the money you do get a pretty good set of accessories. You have the phone, which comes with a screen protector pre-installed. You have a TPU case, so you don't actually have to spend any extra money in trying to make sure that your phone does not get damaged over the course of time that you use it. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.